Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, I was explaining you the topic exponents and we have already finished the chapter. Only two exercises are left, that is C13 and D14. One is of filling the blanks and one is of true and false. So in filling the blanks, the first option is 9 multiplied by 3 to the power of n is equals to 3 to the power of 6. So we have to find out the value of n, right students? So आपको मैंने पहले ही बताया, जब आपको इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस दिखाई दें, so what you have to do, try to make the base same. अगर आप बेस सेम कर पा रहे हैं तो ठीक है, it's well and good. If you are not able to make the base same, then you have to make the powers same. क्योंकि आपको law of exponent use करना है, either make the powers same or make the base same. पहली कोशिश आपकी ये होनी चाहिए that the base should be same. But if the base is not same, the numbers are different, then you will make the powers same. जैसा कि हमने आपके क्वेश्चन में किया था, that question was exercise 5A, question number 18. In that question, it was not possible to make the base same first. So firstly, we have made the powers same and then we have made the base same. Okay? So now in this question we can easily make the base same क्योंकि 9 can be expressed in the power of 3. So we all know that 3 to the power of 2 is 9 because 3 3s are 9. So 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of n is equals to 3 to the power of 6. Now the bases are same, we can equate the powers. So in multiplication the powers are added. So n plus 2 is equals to 6. Now this plus 2, once it will go on the right hand side, it will become minus 2. So what will be the answer of n? The value of n is equals to 4. Now coming to the second option, 8 to the power of 0. I have already told you anything to the power of 0 is equals to what? किसी की भी power 0 अगर होती है तो what is the answer? The answer is 1. Now coming to the third option, a upon b minus 16. A upon b to the power of minus 16 means you have to take the inverse of a upon b. So it will be b upon a to the power of 16. Coming to the fourth option, it is minus 2 to the power of minus 5. So now it will be 1 upon minus 2 to the power of 5. But yes, we know that the denominator can never be negative, multiplying the numerator and the denominator by minus 1. So it will be minus 1 upon 2 to the power of 5. I hope you must have understood, students. Now coming to the next one, that is true false. So students, minus 1 upon 2 to the power of 5 means you have to multiply 2 5 times. और जब आप 2 को 5 times multiply करेंगे, the answer will be 32. So the answer is minus 1 upon 32. और minus 1 को जब आप 5 times multiply कर रहे हैं तो minus 1 ही आएगा. अगर यहाँ पे आपकी पावर इवन नंबर में दी गई होती तो आपका रिजल्ट जो है वो पॉजिटिव आ जाता. But the power is in odd number, that is why the result is also negative. Minus 1 is multiplied odd number of times, so that is why the result is negative only. Now coming to true false. So it is D14 exercise. You have to do these questions in the maths book itself. I am explaining you both so that you understand well, so that your concept should be clear during exams. Okay. So D14. First one is 645 in standard form is 6.45 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2. That is totally right. This statement is true. क्योंकि जब हम लोग point लगा रहे हैं तो there are two decimal numbers after that. There are two numbers after the decimal point. So the power will be 2 only. Now coming to the second option, 27,000 in standard form is 27 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3. बट दिस इज़ रॉन्ग क्योंकि हम लोगों फर्स्ट नंबर के बाद ही डेसिमल पॉइंट रखते हैं. इट शुड बी 2.7 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 टू द पावर ऑफ 4. क्या होना चाहिए? 2.7 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 टू द पावर ऑफ 4. सो दैट इज़ वाई दिस इज़ रॉन्ग. ये आपका स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म होगा. सो सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज़ फॉल्स, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज़ ट्रू. Coming to the third option, 3 to the power of 0, 4 to the power of 0 plus 5 to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is equals to 3. पर आपके right hand side में क्या दिया गया है? It is given 12. That is not equal. That means this statement is false. क्या है आपकी statement? That statement given is false. Coming to the fourth option, reciprocal of 5 to the power of 6 is 6 to the power of 5. What is the reciprocal of 5 to the power of 6? It is 1 upon 5 to the power of 6, right? So that in the question it is given that 6 to the power of 5. That means this statement is also false. Coming to the fifth one. So the fifth option is 5 inverse multiplied by x is equals to 8 inverse, right? Then x is equals to 8 upon 5. So we have to check that whether this value provided is correct or not. So 5 inverse means 1 upon 5 multiplied by x is equals to 1 upon 8. Now this 5 is in divide with x. Once it will go on the right hand side, it will be in multiply. So 1 upon 8 multiplied by 5. So the value of x is 5 upon 8, but as per the question it is given 8 upon 5. That means this statement is also false. So I hope you must have understood, students. So in the next video I will be starting the new chapter, that is algebraic expressions. I will be explaining you about constants, variables and the terms like monomials, binomials, trinomials, quadrinomials, polynomials. Okay students? So that's all for today. If there are any problems, any queries, you can comment down in the comment section. Bye bye, take care.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.